Welcome to Mifratech eLearning. This project name is Waste Management in Railways. See, there are two coaches. One coach contains one water tank. So basically this is a waste management. So collecting the waste and sending to the main tank. This is the main tank, controlling by loco pilot. So these components are on-off switch, SC05 module, and a one-channel relay, driver circuit, Arduino Uno, and this is power source. The water sensor measuring the water level, and water pump. So DC motor for making the movement of the dispenser. So these are the motors, wheels,